Hi, this is Sujata Kancharla. Today I'm going to discuss about averages. This topic is useful in CAT, GMAT and GRE. Averages consist of arithmetic mean, median and mode. First comes to arithmetic mean. It is also called as mean or average. Arithmetic mean equals to sum by n. N means total number. For example, 50 children in a school scored 1500 marks. Then average would be 1500 by 50, that equals to 30. N equals to sum by average. For example, the average age of 15 students is 30 years. Then sum would be n into average. 30 into 15. That means 450. Next, coming to median, it is the number that has central value in the group of numbers. For example, group of numbers 14, 20, 32, 58, 78. In this, the median is 32. It is the central value. In case where there are two middle values, we take the average of two middle values. Its effectiveness restricted to situations where there are group of numbers has an evenly distributed nature. For example, the median of 2468 would be 4 plus 6 by 2. Then comes to mode. It is defined as the maximum occurring in a group of numbers. Suppose students got marks in a subject 23, 24, 26, 27, 34, 24, 35, 24. In this, the mode is 24 because it is repeated 3 times. The effectiveness of the mode as a measure is limited. Then comes to weighted average. For example, if you purchase two varieties of rice, 2 kg at 30 rupees and 4 kg at 60 rupees, then the weighted average would be 2 into 30 plus 4 into 60 by total number of kg 6. Then it equals to 50. Suppose the average of four numbers 13, 14, 15, 18 can be calculated by using shortcut. Suppose we assume 15 is the average, then comes to first number 13 plus 2 would be 15, 14 plus 1 would be 15, 18 minus 3 would be 15. Then the total becomes 60 on both sides and the average would be 15. The average always lies above the lowest number of the set and below the highest number of the set. Suppose the average age of group of numbers is 15 years today, then after 5 years, the average would be 15 plus 5, 20 years. Suppose the average age of group of numbers 15 years today, then 5 years ago, the average would be 15 minus 5, 10 years. Comes to another example, the average age of class of 40 students and a teacher reduces by 1 year. If we exclude the teacher, the initial average is 15 years. Find the age of class teacher. Then age of class teacher becomes total age of students plus teachers minus total age of students. Here 40 students and one teacher, so 41. Initial average 51, 15. So 41 into 15 minus age of students. 40 into 14. This becomes 615 minus 560. This becomes 55 years. So the age of teacher would be 55 years. Then comes to another example. A school has 4 classes that contain 20, 30, 40 and 50 students respectively. The pass percentage of these classes are 30%, 50%, 60% and 70%. Find the pass percentage of entire class. The solution would be weighted average equals to 20 students into 30% means 0.3, 30 students into 50% means 0.5, 40 students into 60% means 0.6, 50 students into 70% means 0.7 by total number of students. 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. Then it will become 57%. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.